Details. Also on the broadcast with me is Dr. Sameer Dalwai, who is a pediatrician. Dr. Sameer Dalwai, this is a big step because we have been talking about jabs for children, and now we have finally got one approved.
I think that's very good news, and congratulations to the team who has worked on this. And it's, parents are so petrified right now, and we've all been waiting for the vaccine for children. And I think it's very important that now the government step up and make the vaccine available. I think the entire process and the procedure for administering the vaccine is already in place. And on behalf of the Indian Academy of Pediatrics, we have already said, because pediatricians, we are also more than happy to support the government and the entire nation in rolling out these vaccinations for children. So at least for the 12 to 18, I think with this threat of an oncoming third wave or fourth wave, I think the government should now step in and make the vaccines available for children of this age group.
Also, Dr. Dalwai, how soon can this come into effect now that the approval has come? How soon do we see that the children start getting vaccinated?
I don't think it should take long because the machinery is already in place. We have rolled out vaccines for more than 100 crore people in this country and been successfully vaccinated. So I think now it's up to the central government to actually make the stocks available through the process of acquiring the vaccines and through the administrative process. And I'm sure the country is ready, as well as like I said, 30,000 pediatricians from the Indian Academy of Pediatrics are more than happy to comply with the government and with the government norms. And we have the entire state machinery as well. So it's up to the central government now. The ball is in their court, and they should make this available immediately because, as we know, otherwise health is a state subject. But regarding COVID and vaccination is entirely the process and the decision of the national government. And I'm sure the central government will move fast. I'm happy that, again, an Indian company has been, has come up with the technology and been approved for this. So kudos to them for that as well.
Right. Thank you so much, Dr. Sameer Dalwai there joining us on the broadcast. A big step there. Vaccination for children will now hopefully be in place as the DGCI has given Bharat Biotech the approval for emergency use authorization of its vaccine for kids who are aged between 12 and 17 and 18 years of age. Also joining on the broadcast is Dr. Rakesh Mishra on the phone line. Dr. Mishra, I was speaking to your colleague, Dr. Dalwai, over there. Now, he has also mentioned that it's a big step in this direction. We all have been waiting for vaccine for children, especially parents who have been very, very worried, especially with the schools opening up and everything. Now we have finally a vaccine for children aged between 12 and 18.
Absolutely. It's long awaited. And this is the age group that is very active. And the colleges are opening, schools are opening, so protecting them is extremely important. They may be very strong immune-wise, but they can spread from the school to the family to other things. So it is extremely important, and particularly when variants emerging and pandemic is still around, I think it's a big tool to fight the pandemic, and hopefully the vaccine will be available in ample amount soon, should be rolled out, and let's get started.
Also, Dr. Mishra, while there is talk for vaccine for children, there also there's talk of booster doses in the wake of the Omicron variant that is fast growing, especially in Delhi and the state of Maharashtra, where we are seeing record numbers in a day. So how does one talk about these vaccines for children? How soon can they get the ample doses so they are fully vaccinated? What are we looking at here, really?
Well, the vaccination process is yet to begin. Approval is one thing, then stock has to be there, and they have to put the logistic in place, so that might take few weeks. And I assume it will be a 2-dose vaccine, so again, at least a month of break. So we are talking about next coming 3-4 months before we will have substantial number covered.
All right, Dr. Mishra, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Moving on now.